Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool where you can convert images into text. So there are many tools are available, but this tool works very well. So especially when you come across any handwritten notes which is related to your research, or any explanation of block diagrams you want, or any images with respect to your result, so you can use that tool to convert your images into text, and then you can convert the text into a meaningful sentences using ChatGPT. So this is how you can work with this tool by converting the images into text. So let us go on to today's video and explore with some of the images and handwritten notes also, and check out whether this tool will works out well for us research paper preparation or not. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. In this workshop, we are going to model LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation using PID controller with proper tuning. We are going to observe how converter performs to that proper PID controller tuning, and then we are going to fed that converter with PV and wind energy as its input, and then we are going to connect it with an electric vehicle charging station. So the main objective of this workshop is to how the converters act as a bridge between input sources and your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how we can bring out a better content out of ChatGPT to make our research paper writing better. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see this is the picture to text tool. So here you can extract edible text from your images, screenshots or handwritten notes within just a few clicks, upload and convert and copy. So here, in order to explore that, I have taken a block diagram. So this is like block diagram in a research paper. So next I have taken some handwritten notes. So this is the handwritten notes. So next you can see I have taken this image. So let us explore with all these three images, and let us see how this image to text converter will work out. So first I am going to upload a handwritten notes. So here I am going to upload a handwritten notes. So this is the important thing for those who are in academic side. So as teachers, professors, so you may have handwritten notes. So if you want to convert that handwritten notes into text, so in order to give a soft copy to your students, so you can make use of this option. So next you can, as here our content is uploaded, so just click on convert. So it will take several seconds to convert that image into text. So here you can see that our text is converted. Hello, simple noted has developed incredible proprietary robotic technology to write your message and envelopes with a real pen. Genuinely, it is completely indistinguishable from a human's handwriting. Try us today, simply noted. Yes, the same content in the image is generated. So here you can see this is the content in this particular image. So hello, simply noted as developed, incredible, it is reading very well. So if you want to convert your handwritten notes into text, so make a soft copy in order to submit for your student, give to your students, so you can make use of this option. So next we will explore with our block diagram. So go on and upload this block diagram. So this is the block diagram I have chosen. So here our block diagram is uploaded. So and then click convert option. So it will take several seconds to convert that image into text. So here the text present in that particular that is block diagram is converted. So what you have to do is copy that content generated by this picture to text tool. So copy that, go to ChatGPT, So as I have already explored this one, so I am going to do again. So copy and paste the text that is text generated by this image. So next I have made a prompt here. So this is the prompt. So here you can see the above is a picture extract of a block diagram. Make that it as a explanation meaningful and technically correct in paragraph. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So give that prompt and click enter. So it will generate the content. So here you can see that. So the block diagram depicts a sophisticated energy management system comprising several interconnected components for efficient power generation, storage, conversion and distribution, starting with primary power production, wind turbine, doubly fed generator. Next you can see simultaneously PV array contributes to the power generation by converting solar energy into electricity. So like that it is generated a brief explanation of that particular paragraph. So like that you can convert that image into text, and you can use this prompt in ChatGPT to generate a better block diagram explanation for your that is the block diagram or any pictures present in your research paper. So next you can go on to upload that common diagram, that is EV diagram. So here this is the picture. So I am going to open that picture again. So and then click on convert. So here before that I am going to show you the picture, thereby you can get a better idea about the picture. So it is regenerative braking in EV vehicles. So here vehicles kinetic energy is diverted away from wheels towards motor. Kinetic energy turns motor shaft. Motors act like a generator with crank. Kinetic energy converted into electrical energy in motors. Electrical energy is routed into battery and stored. So these are the different text available in this particular picture. So go to that again. So here you can see that yes, all the text is converted here. So here you can see this is the text. So all the text are converted. So like that you can upload your images and you can get your images converted into text in fraction of seconds. So this you can do for free. So it's a free tool, and also it is having different options available. So here you can see Spanish, Russian, Vietnamese, Portuguese and Korean, etc. And then you can convert image into text, PNG into text and JPEG into Word also. So you can convert that image into Word also by using this download option. So you can download. So just click on download, it will be downloaded and saved in your that is downloads. So you can use it as a document also. So like that you can make use of this option and convert your pictures present in your research paper into a better text, a better paragraph using that prompt I have given in ChatGPT. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.